Hello, artists. Mrs. Castle here, and we're going to talk about shading with colored pencil, and we're going to do the cube first. And I have selected 3 colors for an analogous combination. I have red orange, I have red, and I have magenta, which is kind of a red violet. So if I test my colors like we did on that little exercise that we did when we blended the 3 colors together. And I'm going to blend a little bit differently, more like I blend with my color, with oil pastel. So I want to make sure that my lightest color is on top, and then I'm going to use my other colors together, actually all 3 colors together, to get the shades that I want on the sides. And like I did for my oil pastel people, I didn't label for them, I just set it. One side is going to be the lightest side, one side is going to be the darkest side, and one side is going to be somewhere in between. So my lightest side, the side that the light is hitting the most, will be my top side. My darkest side will be this side right here. And my medium side will be over here, my medium value. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to use just one color on the top, and I'm starting out lightly. Always start by pressing lightly with the colored pencil and with the oil pastel. I know you're probably going to stick with the oil or the colored pencil if you're going this far with colored pencil. But I'm just going to gradually build up. And there are times when we don't want the pastel to be full strength, and to let some of the paper show through like that, but like when some light is shining on something like right now. So for right now, I'm going to consider that done. I may go back to it as I look at what's going on. So now I'm going to use my red. And I'm going to lightly shade the whole side. I'm trying to go fast for you. Okay, really value-wise or darkness-wise, these two are very similar. So I am going to add some of my magenta to this side to make it a little bit darker. And magenta is kind of on the light side, but we can make it darker by increasing the intensity of the color, increasing the intensity of the hue. That's another way, an arty way to say it. And I might add, because we can use 4 colors, I could add plain old orange to this on the one side, on this side, or I could add purple to it on that side. And I may add purple on this side to help us get darker. So I don't want to go too far on this side intensity-wise because this is my medium value side. So on this side, I'm going to add my red to it again. And I started with more purple, or more of my magenta. And I can see where I erased. I'm going to kind of concentrate on that spot to get rid of that white line. So the points of the pencils press the paper down and make a dent. And I think I am going to add purple. And I'm going to, just for giggles and to help the whole thing look like one object, I'm adding my red-orange to this side too. Sorry about the squeaky table. Okay, those are looking about the same, so I'm going to add more magenta. And I'm going more towards full strength. See if I've got a violet in here. Yay, I do. Okay. So I'm going to add this to my list. And this is going to make this much more shadowy. Okay. So there's my shaded cube with my lightest side, a medium side, and my darkest side. And I'm used 4 colors that are neighbors on the color wheel. So I'm within the analogous rules. That's what I want to say. I'm within the analogous rules for that one. Okay? So, good luck with that. I can't wait to see what you do. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.